amona bo kwithira ni ba bethi na baingi bao ni arito ba university na kinya colleges na bangi batithirite kinya chukuruiji baandiki na bangi batirandikwa thuki mbithi bare bakumenyekana ta Gen Z ni barigarite baingi ba Kenya na kinya ome ya Kenya kumania na mururumo jwao thuki mbithi ba amwe na kwithira batena kinya mutongereria ni bombanite kwinainia bonene atongeria na kinya gutuma atongeria baba thirikarine boneka kwendekithia uge bwanthuki mbithi baba kuthikirwa ni mururumo na kinya ugaruruku bote kuoneka kuthira na mpui mwanki jojo jote kuoneka kinya kwethura jukithira ndene ya mitandaone muthurumurioki na Gichunki gya siasa.
Baba nandi ni MBITHI bachumirite ntere mwanya ndene ya Kenya bakionele korega kunganirwo keo nikirirwa ria rwite na mbere kiri mbunge ora finance bill NTHUKI nandi ire komuniketa Gen Z BAUGITE bonandi batinogwa gitumba kwenda kuthikirika.
Why do you want to arrest me? People's power! People's power! People's power! When we lose our fear, they lose their power! When we lose our fear, they lose their power! When we lose our fear...
NTHUKI nandi ire kumkira Gen Z BAUGITE bonandi utugwa benabu no uo mabakonania bakerega ukirinya polisi. Murunga majojo bajukia mwankenya kanisene bakiuria thenjiri bao mbiuria nkabo.
The NCCK Church and the mosque have come out condemning the finance bill. So as we continue paying for the country, I think it's deeply important that we get the stance of the IC Church as well.
I'll pray for the country because we do not know the will of God on the finance bill.
Kanisa ingi natio bagigwa tambaru na kurabete na mbere na mwito jojo njotetera ndiguru.
As Nairobi Chapel, we are saying to this generation that is the church. Are we together? Yes. Kanisa ziko ingine. This is the church. Are we together? We are proud of you for stepping out and for speaking out.
Amana jajonde kulingana na Bishop Paul Sapit Gen Z bongo ibobau.
The Gen Zs have no tribe, no religion, no class, but they are our children. They are not enemies of the nation. They are our children. We love you and we welcome you. We want to discern what you are saying, and we pray that the Lord will give us a moment of listening to one another and understanding.
Gitumi kiao kinene gya uchumiria ni gutetera manto jamwe jaja kuonekana ki finance bill jegi ogoti mbere thirikari ni andikithia kugita ogoti manto jegi migate manto jegi mauta ja kuruga intobira bikuma kaome anto barabe nangari manto jegi myunda kulirwo ogoti tauro cio thurucio mweri ciari diapas cha kubungana tairi cha uribaru ciangari cha baiskiri na kinya tugareta kwendia nkara bakiwina nthiguru ya Kenya ni agite ngugi ni onto baungumania burabu kuendelea na kiabata buru ne kuga bunge bao batiko batetera.
Nchi yetu for so long we have been oppressed na hakuna mtu mwenye anatuongelelea. Sisi kama vijana, not everyone is taking us seriously because they think that we are out here to make content tuko hapa hivi because just we want to be here.
Kirija jonde na lipo ne mudhuru jwao beginya kirito ni mwanya kugabo batachoka nyuma mageta na mbere. Bao na bageta na mbere kubagwa tambaru kutigira kioto kyao kuonekana.
We are extremely proud as leaders in this country, as young leaders of the young people who have taken to the streets to demonstrate their displeasure at how this government has treated us repeatedly over the years. We told them that if you close your ears to the people, they will slap those ears until they open. And that is what is happening here. So we want to encourage those young people, fear not, this is your country. This is your country, and I hope this movement does not die here. Anybody who is afraid of those young people there has a good reason to be afraid of those people.
So what the Gen Zs are doing out there, the Gen Alpha, they are trying to protect their children, something that Weta is not doing.
Rwarero nandi rurigiri NTUKU njumeine kutharukiringira kura kethorwa kuruka kana rukagwa kana kwimogoro kujangija mengija ketho ya KWIJA ende amuna bubu abunge ibonekana be na uge nkurani mwania mandoja jege finance bill.
What I was told to oppose the bread taxation, bondas, rents essentials, cooking well and avocados and the rest, the agriculture outputs. After the amendments, I don't see any reason to oppose it. So I thereby support it with amendments.
Out here is the Gen Z generation, whom I talk to every day. I interact with them on Twitter, TikTok, and everywhere. When most of you will have gone back to the villages, we will be with them here in Nairobi. The question will still be there. And most of you know, I'm the friend to the president, and I spoke to him, and he knows very well that this is my stand.
Nantumirira nene nekira bunge bakenya ne atibezo bakithikira mwingi orabakuga atibo batekwenda finance bill weje
ito awonere MPs wetu na president wetu ati bomba kwetha baikota revolution arwa ukona ana babethi ana betu antobonde bamiro bakumira na baumete kenda bakurikania na arwa nonto na arwa irobu tukweregera bomba kuringa kura kethati na arwa next week ati bothikire boathurane ketha benda kuthikira mwananchi kana benda kuthikira William Ruto.
Mbunge betu bakuma Meru County inkobore tafadhali rekeni ukara yakabota atarero akura na rekeni ukara yakabotena botena mantoa wananchi ngorone sienu no nduro kara omo support muswanda mbungene yako inye ile wananchi no keme ano waringiri kura no ke yakuromba kura renge 2027 patu tete atona wewe na twakwa utha nora wayo support nena mesugoi akaringo ekura imoko Ruto na ana bawe no ntobatu antobembe tumechoka
lietorwe pio ogolele tauni yetu maone sogeta nyuma mno no ntwa biashara mira babu tero tobona na muswanda yoko tetera mira mbunge lakini bote te kodeta boki watre mayuda no yore ana bange bare hao kinya sugumwera botwe kumakegoi nongelo taxi babu buriye boya.
Bishop Paul Sabit akira thirikari kaginda gaka tega kwaria na kwaria ende nika ukindo tuna kuthikira.
So to Your Excellency and the leadership of this country, this is a discerning moment. Not so much talking, but I think listening to one another and reaching out to one another. Let us embrace the spirit of listening more than talking. And I want to encourage that even in what is going on, those are children from our families. Let us not use any excessive force.
Kitungiki mutongirio mugongo Dr. William Samoei Ruto urawonekene muno akiorotero kimandu jajonde awa akajukia kanya nikenda kwarandia NTHUKI bamenya thina yongwe ineri.
Our young people have stepped forward to engage on the affairs of their country. They have done a democratic duty to stand and be recognized. And I want to tell you, we are going to have a conversation with you so that we can identify your issues and we can work together as a nation. I am very proud of our young people. They have stepped forward tribeless. They have stepped forward peaceful. And I want to tell them, we are going to engage them. We are going to have a conversation so that together we can build a greater nation.
Kure kire kinene nugeto kwaliria NTHUKI mbithi no ntunaba kwali ni mitandao ne muno bagachi udrania na muthine kumira matauni mwanya mwanya konenia muthuro jwao. Muthuri Murioki, World TV, Gichunki ya siasa.